Hey moguls, it's Dr. T, and we're here to do another upgrade, which is all about quantum wealth engineering and activating the hidden codes of financial mastery in your design. So, welcome to your next mogul upgrade. Today, we are just dialing in straight into the frequency of financial mastery, and this is the focus of quantum wealth engineering. So let's activate those hidden codes of financial mastery in your own design. If you're here, you're ready to stop working and slaving for wealth and start engineering it, right? Through energetic alignment, quantum precision, and the sacred intelligence encoded within you in your own human design. I'm Dr. Tracy Thomas, aka Dr. T, your mogul maker and quantum transformation advisor and leader as you ascend into being a mogul, building a dynasty, creating an empire. I'm here to guide you into your next level self so the mogul within you can command wealth with ease. So you can be an architect of an empire by design and leave behind an amazing, wealthy dynasty of exponential prosperity for you and your family. It's not about money, right? This is not just about money. It's about wealth as your energetic birthright, moguls, and how your human design holds the blueprint to just absolutely unlock it. So stay with me through this entire video for a multi-million dollar upgrade that is going to restructure your wealth identity at the quantum level. And as we get going, key things to be in a mogul reality. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel now. This is a mogul immersion. Like this video to anchor in your frequency and let the universe know I am up for this new destiny. Comment, I activate my mogul wealth code. And make sure, if you haven't done so, you download your free human design report so we know what you are in human design, and let us know what type you are and what's your profile. 5-1 projector, 6-2 manifesting generator, 1-4 manifester, 2-4 reflector. Whatever you are, let us know. And you've got my Wall Street Journal best-selling books there. Link is in the description. So you can have all of that to make sure you can be in the quantum top level of mogul wealth generation and flow. So let's begin your quantum wealth activation right now. Okay, so why wealth has got to be engineered, moguls. It cannot be chased anymore. We've got to get this. Most people are chasing wealth from a place of lack, hustle, and literally inherited programming that is the worst financial programming. They think hard work creates success, but in truth, alignment creates flow with the reality you want. People were taught in the slave system, and the biggest response to everything is work harder, which is a complete slave command. Your financial reality is a reflection of your internal configuration. And if you're misaligned with your design, no amount of effort will ever produce true freedom. That's what the mass population shows us. Everybody is working harder and harder and harder, following the slave programming from the system. They are manipulating the beep out of everybody, and nobody is gaining any freedom except for the top little people. Top people. The new paradigm is quantum wealth engineering. This is what all the high level moguls do. All the years of ultra high net worth and high net worth clients that I've helped, this is how they do it, and I'm giving it to you. It means designing your financial success at the energetic, strategic, and cosmic level, all according to your human design architecture, moguls. We don't do hustle, we engineer abundance from the inside out. This is mogul flowing, okay? So Let's unlock the 3 wealth codes in your human design. We need to know these so you understand your wealth signature. Number 1, your type and strategy. Each type has a unique way of attracting money and success. For example, generators are here to respond, not initiate like manifestors. Projectors thrive when invited and recognized. We have to wait. It's the way it goes. Not always a fan of it, but I have to align with it. And when you go against this, you repel wealth. You create friction. You have to honor your design and you can magnetize the wealth that you want. Next thing is your authority. This is how you make aligned decisions. Every wealth expansion starts with the right decision. And the thing is, you got to follow your inner authority so you can be guided to the right investments, partnerships, and paths every time. The third thing is your define centers and channels, also thought of in other cultures as chakras. These are the energy hubs that determine where you're naturally resourced to create and receive abundance. They tell us if your wealth comes through teaching, innovation, leading others, or deeply intuitive strategies. This is your energetic portfolio, moguls, and it's time to activate it. Okay, so engineering your financial reality. Wealth is not luck, moguls, it's architecture. Start seeing your reality as a structure you're building with every intention, thought, action, and frequency you hold. Quantum wealth engineering includes creating a frequency field of prosperity, using intention based rituals every day. This is what we do at my company all these years. Programming your intentions, your calendar, your content, and your entire framework and business model based on your energetic architecture, the strengths of it, and what it is. Saying no to anything that is out of alignment with your design. This is the biggest one. I tell you, this is the big thing. You are no longer hoping for wealth, you're engineering it by design. This is the mogul way, which just means being in your power and influence every day. Okay. The future of money is frequency. So exciting. It's the exponential age we've made it into. And we are moving from a material economy, from the industrial revolution, to an energetic one with the Aquarian transformational technological revolution. Money is not going to be earned anymore. It is transmitted through alignment, value resonance, strategic embodiment. Your human design is the interface with that wealth field, moguls. The people who master this now will become the sovereign wealth architects of the future. It's so exciting. You will not just be financially free, you'll be structurally unshakable, operating from a dynasty level design that grows wealth for generations, decades and decades of lines of succession, your heirs having what they need. Finally, no more starting from zero, flowing exponentially. And it all starts with choosing to reprogram the system you're running on right now. Your wealth code is active now. Today, you began the activation of your quantum wealth architecture. Congratulations, moguls. Okay, this is going to take you forward in an exciting new way that is so exponential, and you did it. I'm so proud of you. Please make sure you have downloaded your human design report. Get your copy of my transformational books and make a comment in the comment section. I am a wealth engineer. It's so important, moguls. You have to tell the universe I'm in, share it, tell the universe I am flowing this wealth. I am circuitry. Give me more. I will flow it. I will not be a logjam. And subscribe to this mogul immersion and daily upgrade process that is flowing for you. Commit to watching at least one mogul upgrade every day. And anytime your frequency drops, you've got to recalibrate. Come and watch a video on this channel, get an upgrade, and your response to every time something dips, your frequency lowers, raise it with a mogul immersion upgrade process. This is how you reprogram an entire sovereign reality for a different destiny, a dynasty destiny. We're putting this in motion because this is wealth by design, moguls. Okay, you are now a quantum wealth architect. All right, moguls, this is a whole new way of being. Make sure you connect with this community. Stay with us. This is a mogul movement. And if you want to learn more about our private coaching programs, the link is in the description. Moguls, thanks for tuning in, making the upgrade. There's more videos to come. Keep going, keep upgrading, keep flowing and receiving. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.